Today we are cooking brownies. We need 2 bowls, cooking brush, knife, spoon, cooking forms, and mixer, and also 108 grams of dark chocolate, 2 eggs, 2 big or 3 small eggs, 180 grams of butter, 150 grams of sugar, and 75 grams of flour. Firstly, I break in chocolate. Putting the butter in the bowl. And then I melted it. Then I mix the eggs with sugar. Now I grease the cooking forms with melted butter. And now I'm putting the dough into the cooking form. And baking it in the oven 20 minutes. Finally, brownies are done.